Hello all of you. My name is Nitish Prabhu Handekar. I am second year branch civil department. So today we are studying the subject of fluid mechanics and the topic is hydraulic coefficient. So hydraulic coefficient has three types: coefficient of velocity, coefficient of contraction, and coefficient of discharge. So we will study the coefficient of velocity. So coefficient of velocity is defined as ratio of actual velocity at Vena contracta and theoretical velocity of jet. So the formula for coefficient of velocity is actual velocity of Vena contracta upon the velocity of jet. So we will take v actual velocity of actual upon root 2g. So value of coefficient of velocity varies from 0.55 to 0.99, and generally we take the value of coefficient of velocity is 0.98. So we will go to this topic, the coefficient of contraction. So coefficient of contraction is defined as ratio of area of jet of vena contracta to area of an orifice. So coefficient of contraction formula is area of jet of vena contracta upon area of an orifice. For numericals we will take A upon A0. So the value of coefficient of contraction varies from 0.66 to 0.69, and generally it is taken as 0.64. So we will go to next topic, coefficient of discharge. It is defined as ratio of actual discharge to the ratio to the theoretical discharge. So the form for numericals we will take C area of velocity into area of vena contracta upon the theoretical velocity into area of orifice. So formula is CD is equal to CV into CE. So the value will take the CD coefficient of discharge is 0.61 to 0.65, and generally will take 0.62.